Now I would like to introduce my fellow colleague and co-host for today, Dr. Anila Iqbal. She is working as a clinical head of coordination at Australian Concept Fertility Centre Lahore for the past 10 years. She is a graduate of Salahuddin Medical University, Karachi. After completing her MBBS, she has done multiple courses in the field of reproductive medicine, including Advanced Diploma in ART and Reproductive Medicine by University of Germany, and also Diploma in Management, Hospital Management from PIMS. She has been working and supervising at Australian Concept Fertility Centre for high quality fertility treatment and counseling patients from beginning till end. So I would request Dr. Anila Iqbal to please come on stage and give us a brief introduction and history of Australian Concept Fertility Centre.
Thank you, Dr. Ann. Good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to all of you. It is an honor and a privilege to welcome you all at 2024 Fertility Conference. We are thrilled to have so many distinguished professional clinicians joining us from all over the Sindh and Punjab. Your presence here reflects the collective dedication we all share in advancing fertility care, research, and patient support. This conference is not only a gathering of expertise, but a chance of engaging different people from different cities. So it's a meaningful conversation that can shape the future of reproductive health. Thank you for being here, and we look forward to a conference filled with enriching discussions, shared learning, and meaningful connections. Australian Concept is a concept brought in Pakistan from Perth, Australia by our CEO, Mr. Shahid Shakur, who is a barrister in Australia, and Dr. Kiran Shahid, who is a consultant advisor. They inspired Bruce Bellenge and brought this concept of ART in Pakistan. And now, Australian Concept is one of the leading centers in Lahore. I would like to introduce my Karachi team and Lahore team. This is the Karachi panel of consultants, and this is the Lahore Karachi Center. This is our Lahore panel of consultants, and this is our image of our Lahore Center. I would like to add on something because there is a lot of confusion between two Australian concepts. One is in Garden Town and one is in 15C Ghalib Road, Gulberg 2. So I would like to clarify our center is in 15C Ghalib Road, Gulberg 2 near Hafiz Center, and this is the image. Now I would like to tell about our services which we are giving in our center: IVF, ICSI, gender selection, IUI, testicular biopsy, semen freezing, embryo freezing, and we are also doing egg freezing, but I have not mentioned over here. But we are also doing that. Australian Concept has gained recognition for its success rate in helping couples to achieve positive results and healthy pregnancies. This is a graph to show the results of our center. Fresh embryo transfer, the first bar is blue, and it's showing the fresh embryo transfer in 2023. HCG success rate is 42%, and HCG success rate of fresh embryo transfer of frozen embryo transfer is HCG success rate is 56%. And then a live birth rate of fresh embryo transfer is 20% and frozen embryo transfer is 27%. So this is the results of our center. So we are doing a good job. So I just wanted to tell. Now I am going to tell about today's scientific program, what we are going to have. The complete day we will be having different sessions. We are proud to present this comprehensive scientific program on infertility. This program has been carefully curated to include broad range of topics delivered by experts from various fields to ensure an in-depth understanding of infertility from both clinical and research perspectives. So first of all, we'll be having ART workshops, and our senior consultant Dr. Mario will demonstrate. And then there will be training, hands-on training on transvaginal ovum pickup, embryo transfer, IUI, and embryology, which is semen preparation. Then we'll be having a complete day of presentations on different topics by our in-house and guest speakers. Then we'll be having a panel discussion which will be very interesting on woman age and IVF outcome. There will be a brief overview of complete IVF ICSI treatment cycle at Australian Concept and introduction of scientific theme. We are excited to announce the lucky draw for all participants of this event. As a token of our appreciation, we are giving away some fantastic prizes and lucky draws from Australian Concept and Geneva Pharma. So there will be 5 lucky draws worth of 1 to 6 lakh. So thank you to our incredible sponsor team, Galaxy, Geneva Healthcare, Martindale Pharmaceutical, Ashco Pharmaceutical, Biosorin and Bionex Pharmaceutical. On behalf of the entire team, we would like to express a heartfelt thanks to the sponsors for their exceptional support. After the scientific sessions end, we are thrilled to announce a special musical evening. So please don't leave. Immerse yourself in beautiful melodies and enjoy the weekend. Thank you.